waiting for the last breath, the final sigh, wondering what it takes to let their guards down. Let me inside, hid all my feathers. I could never be an angel in their eyes, under the weather, almost an angel in disguise. Always alone, broken whispers in the night, almost undone, often forgetting how to fly. Waiting for acceptance is such a lonely place. Someone's calling my name, I forget to turn my face. In a sea of misconception, beauty is erased. Some of them are gone now, solid as the stone. Sometimes it's the only way to go home. Waiting for the angel, I could never be inside their eyes. Spread these fragile wings and touch the sky.